In this video, I'm going to show you how to normalize audio in Pro Tools. So to do this, you first have to make a selection. Now you have to select the grabber or selector tool up top. So I'm just going to go and use this one, which is the selector tool. You want to click on it and you want to kind of select the audio where you want to normalize. So I'm going to click and drag over here over my sample audio clip, which I have in my track. That's the first thing you have to do. Then you have to go to this audio suite menu up top, and then you want to go to other. And then from here it says normalize. So you want to click on that. And then as you can see, it's going to give you this audio suite over here. And here you can then normalize, okay? So what you have to do here is basically enter the maximum decibel level you want the loudest part of the audio to reach, okay? So over here, as you can see, it says peak. This is the peak level. You can then just go ahead and change it. So I'm going to make it, for example, -1, okay? I'm going to just make it -1 over here. There we go, just like this. So it was just a little bit over here. And then, of course, you can select over here different settings. You have the options like normalize, make sure it's actually set to normalize over here. Then you have the playlist. You can use in playlist clip by clip, or you could do entire selection, up to you. I'm going to click on entire selection over here to actually select this processing mode. So it's going to do this for every selection, or of course all of it. Now if I did clip by clip, it would analyze and adjust each individual clip separately, okay? So if you want to achieve this, you can do that as well. But if you do entire selection, it's going to process the whole block together. Now whenever you've done this, simply hit this render button at the bottom right, and that's really all you have to do to normalize your audio. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.